Hi guys, would you like to make a geode just like this? Well, I have prepared a kit that has everything you need in order to do that. So let's see what we have. Gravel and glass chips, glitter, we have base paint, which is pre-mixed acrylic paint with numbers, you see, metallic paint for our lines and embellishments, two types of glitter also for extra sparkle, and a glue, 12 by 12 inch canvas with the drawing of the geode. I don't know if you can see it, but there are some lines, guidelines for you. Also we have permanent paper to protect your surface while working with resin, and the foil one when you're painting your geode. So let's have fun!